Hi, I'm Andrew with Odd Harmonics, and in this video, I'll show you how licensing works in Nexus. There are two versions of Nexus, Free and Pro. The free version has every feature. However, it is limited to 3 of each kind of item. In other words, 3 macros, 3 clock triggers, 3 variables, etc. The free version is also limited to 1 instance of Nexus per core. The Pro version has none of these limitations. Otherwise, the two versions are identical. To buy a Pro license, go to odd-harmonics.com. Click on the Buy Pro License button and pick which core model you'll use Nexus on. Nexus is licensed on a per-core basis. During checkout, include the locking ID of your core. We'll need that in order to generate the Nexus Pro license key for that core. After checking out, we'll email you the license key within 1 business day. Once you have the license key, installation is super easy. The process is the same whether you're upgrading an existing free Nexus or starting with a new Nexus. In Q-SYS Designer's offline mode, just select the Nexus component and set the properties in the top right. Choose Pro from the license dropdown and then enter in the Nexus license key. If you're using the Pro version on redundant cores, add the second core's license key here as well. To confirm it's working correctly, go back online and to Nexus's About tab. Here you'll see that your license key is recognized and functional. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. In fact, that's it for this entire first series of videos. We'll be releasing more in the future, so if you found these useful, make sure to subscribe to this channel to get notified about future videos. For more information about Nexus, or to buy a Pro license, go to odd-harmonics.com. And if you have any questions, please email us at support@odd-harmonics.com. Thanks for watching.